Wah pedals rely on their range of motion to function, more so than most other guitar pedals, but over time it's common for them to develop an annoying squeaking sound when being rocked. Hi, I'm Connor from Roundtable Audio, and today I'll show you how to fix a squeaky wah pedal in about 2 minutes. When your wah pedal squeaks, it means that something's rubbing. Not only is it annoying, but it can prevent you from getting a smooth range of motion from your pedal, which can lead to an uneven wah sound. In the longer term, the two parts can wear each other down, causing further stiffness with your pedal, or even breakages. In my experience, squeaking is caused by one of two things: the rocker hinge here, which is the usual culprit, or this plastic bit at the front, called the rack. Fortunately, fixing both parts is really quick and easy. To fix the rocker hinge, first check it for any dirt, dust, or hair. You won't be able to fully clean this area without fully removing the rocker, so instead use some compressed air to clean it out. Next, you'll want to lubricate both sides of the hinge. Simply spray in some WD-40 on each side of the hinges and work it in by moving the foot pedal back and forth. Now, ideally you'd use lithium grease, as that's designed for metal on metal contact. But regular WD-40 works perfectly fine, and most people will have a can laying around their house. To fix a squeaky rack, start by removing the bottom of the pedal for better access. Hopefully, you should notice that there's some white stuff on the rack. This is grease that reduces the friction between the front of the rack and the potentiometer, and the back of the rack and this plastic bit called the pressure element. If the squeaking's coming from here, you just need to top up the grease. Like before, clean out any hair or big bits of dirt caught in the mechanism, as well as any big bits of the old grease. You don't need to remove all of it though. Next, close the pedal fully down and apply some silicone grease to the front and back of the rack, and then work it in by rocking the pedal back and forth. Silicone grease is designed for use with plastic parts and won't weaken or corrode them, which will happen with lithium and petroleum-based grease over time. Will that happen over the lifetime of your pedal? I don't know, but personally I prefer to use the right grease for the right job and just not risk it. While the pedal's open like this, I'd also recommend cleaning the potentiometer with some contact cleaner. This removes any dirt that would otherwise cause a scratching sound or uneven jumps in the wah effect. But if you have a closed pot like mine, then you don't need to worry. And there we have it, a squeak-free wah pedal. By the nature of its design, dirt and dust has a direct access to these working parts, so there's a good chance that it will happen again in your pedal's lifetime. So it's a good idea to give it a clean every now and then. Maybe a couple of times a year if you're using your pedal a lot. Otherwise, when you're not using your pedal, make sure to keep it in a case or somewhere like that where dust can't reach it. If this video helped you, drop it a like to help it reach more people, and subscribe for more guitar content. Thank you.